Hi guys, I'm Rylan Sariguevara Dizon, representing Bay Laguna.
Hi, Raylon. So,
Hello po.
how are you? How's the feeling so far since you are already a official candidate of MITH?
Nervous po, pero na-enjoy ko po to. And because this is my first time in the national pageant and my third time joining a pageant po. Ano po ako, medyo kinakabahan po, pero ina-enjoy ko po yung experience na to.
Are you excited?
Yes po, super excited po ako.
So, I've already seen that you have a photo shoot yesterday and bonding other activities with co-candidates. So, how's the experience so far?
Ano po, na-enjoy ko po kasi nakakakilala po ako ng bagong tao, lalo na po sa buong Pilipinas po. And alam naman po natin sa pageant po, ang pinakamahalaga ay yung brotherhood, yung pakikisama po natin sa isa't isa.
What is your preparation for this competition?
My preparation is my personality development and my pasarela and toning and enhancing my body po.
Good to know.
I do work out daily.
Ano in-expect ng mga supporters mo on your first national pageant on upcoming coronation day?
Expect that I will do better in pre-pageant and of course in coronation because I believe that I do adapt quickly.
Thank you so much from Bayer Laguna.
Thank you po.